This activity, Pebbles in a Jar, will show the kids visually how each individual makes a difference. Just like each child's rock raises the water level in the jar, each child's participation raises the level of the whole church. Now, to do this activity, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a pebble or a rock for each child. You're going to need a jar with some water in it and two markings on it that you can print off of your CD-ROM, one that says good and one that says great. Now, to introduce the game to the kids, I want you to say something like this. Guys, the church is like this jar of water. It's good, but with your help, it can be great. Each one of you can make a difference whether you know it or not. I mean, it's like this container of water. I have just enough water to reach the good mark. When I drop my pebble into the water, watch what happens. The water level rises. Now, I want you to take the time and pass out all of the rocks to all of the kids. And when you do, I want you to ask them to think of something. I want you to ask them to be thinking about something that they could do in the church. Now, you may want to suggest some answers just in case the kids don't have an answer, so that when they come up and drop their pebble into the water, they'll have something to say. All right? So, you guys come on up here, and I want you to take your pebble, and each one of you, when you drop it into the water, I want you to tell me what you can do in the church. Now, as the kids do it, they may say something like, well, I'm going to hand out bulletins, or I'm going to invite my friends, or I'm going to work with little kids in the nursery. Now, once all of the pebbles are in the container, the water level should have reached the great mark. When that happens, congratulate the kids and close this activity by saying this. Guys, what would happen if not everyone put their rock into the water? Yeah, the water would not have reached the great mark, would it? But now, since everybody did, the water did reach the great mark. You see, it's the same way at church. When each one of you use your gifts in the church goes from good to great as well. You see, it is true. Church is better with you.